Hello friends, in this video I'm going to explain you about the similarity of triangles, for which I will take an example and explain how we can prove that the given two triangles are similar. For example, I have one triangle having all the angles 60 degree and the side is, let us say, 4 centimeter each, and let us choose another triangle. Let us take another triangle PQR, and let us assume that here also all the angles are 60 degree. That means both ABC and PQR are having same angles, and let us say its side is 9 centimeter, each side 9 centimeter, for example. Now if the question is, are they similar? Now for proving the similarity of two triangles, we have two conditions to be fulfilled. First is the corresponding angles has to be same, and the other thing is the corresponding ratio of the sides should be equal. For example, I can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR provided the corresponding angles are equal. That is, angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle R. So here we can see that each angle is 60 degree, here also 60 degree. So the corresponding angles by default is equal. We don't have to prove in any other way because it is clearly visible. And the second condition is ratio of their corresponding sides. Ratio of their corresponding sides should also be equal. So here if we see, the corresponding sides will be AB, and then the corresponding side with respect to the other triangle is PQ. So AB by PQ should be equal to BC by QR, and this should also be equal to AC by PR. If this thing follows, then we can say that the two triangles are similar. So here what is AB? AB is 4 centimeter. What is PQ? It is 9 centimeter. So AB by PQ is 4 by 9. What is BC? BC is 4 and QR is also 9. So here also this is 4 by 9. AC is 4, PR is 9. So here also this is 4 by 9. That means ratio of the corresponding sides are equal, that is 4 by 9. Therefore we can say that the two triangles are similar. So these are the two very important conditions which is to be fulfilled for proving any two triangles are similar. Now if I talk about any polygon, any regular polygon, if I talk about, will they be similar? For that also the condition is same. Two polygons having same number of sides are similar if their corresponding angles are equal and ratio of their corresponding side is same. For example, if I choose a kite, we know in a kite the adjacent sides are same, isn't it? And if I take a rhombus, or let us take a triangle, if I take a triangle, so if someone asks, are they similar? No, not at all, because first of the major thing missing here is it has only 3 sides, but here it is having 4 sides. Now if I consider, so they are not similar. Now if I talk about this kite with the rhombus, in rhombus what do we see? In rhombus all sides are equal, and we are not sure about the angles here, so they are also not similar, because here it is a parallelogram. Opposite angles have to be equal, but not necessarily the same. So here, as the values are not defined accurately, so we are not sure about the similarity of these two figures. But if I choose this rhombus, this is rhombus, if I choose this rhombus and compare it with any other figure, let us say let us take a square. If I consider a square, although in square also all sides are equal, but here our focus should be on corresponding angles and the ratio of the corresponding sides. So here the first thing which disapproves their similarity is their angle, because in rhombus the angles is not 90 degree, not necessarily 90 degree, it might be any other angle also, but in a square it is compulsory that each angle is 90 degrees. So we cannot generalize that rhombus and square are also similar. So they are not similar figure, because rhombus may be bit tilted one, but yes, we can say a square is a rhombus, but we cannot say rhombus is a square. That's why they are not similar figures. Basically in this chapter what we can understand is, in our earlier classes we have learned when the two figures are same in shape as well as size, then they are congruent. But here we have to prove two necessary conditions, that corresponding angles have to be same and ratio of their corresponding sides should be equal. Only then two triangles or any regular polygons are similar. So here if I talk about all circles, so are they similar? Yes, all circles are similar, because for similarity we are not bothered about the size but the shape. So all circles are similar. Now if I question myself, all squares are similar? Yes, all squares are also similar. Now the next question, if I talk about all equilateral triangles are similar? Yes, all equilateral triangles are also similar. So this we can easily visualize and we can have this result in our mind that all circles are similar, because we are not bothered about their size. All squares are similar and all equilateral triangles are also similar, because every triangle will have equal angles only, each 60 degree, and when we find the ratio of the corresponding sides, that will also be same. In my next video I will be explaining about basic proportionality theorem, converse of basic proportionality theorem, Pythagoras theorem, converse of Pythagoras theorem, and the most important theorem of which there are many application problems. In fact, for all these theorems we have been given several applications, and that theorem is ratio of the areas of two similar triangle is equal to square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So these 5 theorems we will try to understand and we will solve problems based on it. So only this much in this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.